Now that we know a lot about box and whisker plots, we're going to learn how to interpret box plots as well as dot plots. In this lesson, watch again how I'm identifying key information. First set are the 3 M's, max, min, and median for my box and whisker plot, and how I find Q1 and Q3 from that information and my inner quartile range. I'll be able to draw a precise box and whisker plot, and so should you. You've had some practice now. As well as describe, this is the new part for interpreting, how we describe the plot and the data distribution. Let's interpret this data now that we know all the parts of a box and whisker plot and know how to create them. So just looking at it, we know our data ranges from 1 to 16. So our range is 15. And we know I can see our median is 4. It's in the center of the box. This is our median. Our Q1 is over here is 3, and our Q3 is 8. So our interquartile range is equal to 8 minus 3, or 5. All right, so let's think about what the shape tells us. You can clearly see, if you're thinking about using your median here, half of your data is between 1 and 4. So that's the first bullet point. 1/2 of the data is clustered between 1 and 4. Half is spread between 4 and 16. That's what's making the skewness. So it's skewed to the right. 16 seems like an outlier. That's what we're seeing so far, because it's pulled so far to this side. And when you think about it, like 25% of our data is here, 25% is here, and then the next 25 is all spread out from here to here. And the next 25, these data points are really, really spread out. So it's not symmetrical at all. It's very much spaced out. So what else can we figure out? Well, here's the things that we cannot figure out. We can't determine mode or mean. Can't see it. And without the data here, we also can't see what the N is. We don't know how much data we actually have in here either. All we can see are the quartiles in here and the shape they make. But we can definitely see a lot of it is clustered to the left side between 1 and 4, and then it's really spaced out on the other side. And that's the thing. This is a visual that is very simplistic. It just tells us where our data is clustered, but we're not going to be able to tell what the most popular data is. We can't really calculate mean or have any other specifics besides what we see here with our quartiles. Hit pause and jot this down in your notes. Amanda surveyed 13 students in her class about their heights. Which box plot correctly displays the data? Luckily, our data is already from least to greatest. So let's see what we can eliminate just by identifying the key information in here. We already know what our maximum is and minimum. So this should go from 52 to 65. So I could already cross out B because it's starting here at 53 instead of at 52. And I'm going to cross out C. So automatically I found 2 of them. So now we're stuck between A and D. Do both of them go to 65? Yes. Let's find the median. We have 13 numbers. So let's find the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's our middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we go. Look, the median here is 58. This one is not 58. So I can definitely, with confidence, I think A is the answer because this has the wrong median. But I could even go further. Let's look at the interquartile range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 numbers here in the middle. So 55 for Q1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 59 for Q3. and our median is just Q2. Okay, so let's see, 58. Yeah, we can see it here. Here's 55. 58 is our Q2, and here's 59. And over here, absolutely not. We do not have this at 55, so we are pretty confident that A is the correct answer. Hit pause and jot this down. You can see how me being able to find my key information in that list really helps me be able to identify which box and whisker plot is the correct one in the set.